Hello, my name is Tina, I'm head of design of Victoria Designs, and we have another crafting printables kit for you, the Lace and Roses Ephemera Holder Kit. I'm serious, there are 148 sheets in this kit, plus an additional 29 templates. Alexandra from the YouTube channel Alexandra M got creative with these printables and made a stunning journal and a beautiful envelope ephemera holder. Alexandra has a lot of inspiring crafting tutorials on her channel, so it's worth your time to check that out. In this video, Alexandra is going to show you our Lace and Roses crafting kit and the beautiful projects that she made with the printables. The tutorial for these stunning crafts will be in a separate video. If you'd like to discover this Lace and Roses kit in our shop, the link is below. And you can also use these printables to make all the projects from the Mad About Sewing crafting kit. I will put the link below so you can find it. And now let me give the word to Alexandra.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining. My name is Alexandra and today I am really happy to share with you two projects that were created using the new Mega Project Pack by Victoria Designs. The name of the pack is Shabby Lace and Roses. You will be able to find the link to it in the description box down below. Mega, it is called for a reason. It includes 154 page designs, which include full page designs, designs for creating a vertical journal, a horizontal journal, as well as 14 sheets of printable ephemera and different templates and so much more. I am sure you will have so much fun creating with it, no matter which project you will want to put together. So I have created two items here. The first one is this envelope mini ephemera holder. It consists of 6 envelopes, and all of the envelopes are created using the page printed designs from the pack. As you can see, each one of the envelopes has this see-through window, which allows you to have a better look at what each one of the envelopes holds. And also the hinges which are attached to the envelope are kind of expandable here on one side, so you can get a better access inside each envelope. The cover of this mini ephemera holder is wrapped in muslin fabric, and on the cover itself right here I have used the papers from the paper collection, lots of fussy cut elements. The style of binding that I used here is called a Japanese binding. I guess there are many variations of it, but I will show you how to create this one. I will guide you through the process of putting this envelope ephemera holder together. On the inside of the front cover, I have here a corner pocket, which comes with the Mega Project Pack, as well as these really beautiful cards from the printable ephemera sheets. On the back, I have created a pocket, and these are some leftover pieces of printed pages that I created the envelopes with. So I had some leftovers and I used them for making two of these cards that go into that side pocket right here on the back of the ephemera holder cover. Next comes this journal, and this is how I decided to embellish the cover. As you can see, there are lots and lots of fussy cut elements right here. All of them are included in your Mega Project Pack. This is how the journal looks from the top. You can see that it has 3 signatures. It has a curved spine. It is also quite flexible, so you can fill this journal with way more personalized ephemera than I have included in mine. this is how the spine looks, and I really like how it turned out. It's a curved spine. It's quite flexible, as you have seen, and it has these wonderful ridges that I also show you in the tutorial how to make. I stitched those ridges to the spine so that they stay secure, and I also added these little brads for extra support. The ridges and the spine are connected to the covers of the journal with the help of the same little brads. And this is the result. The cover is flexible. It can be opened like this in full for easier writing in your journal. And this is really more of a writing journal than a lab book, so to say. So you can decide if you want to keep it rather plain or embellish each and every page. On the inside of the front cover, I added just a simple belly band and this envelope, which holds 2 cards from the printable ephemera sheets that come with the pack. And I also added this label, which is included in the pack. I added some fussy cut roses, which add so much to the character of the whole journal. Here I have a little tuck spot for a tag and another tag that I created using the elements from the pack. So the printed page designs are mixed with a variety of different other plain papers, which have mostly been tea dyed. I like this variety of papers because this way you can have more journaling space and still enjoy all the beautiful elements that you put in the journal. So here I'm quickly flipping through the pages to give you an idea of how you can use different pieces from the pack for embellishing the inside of the journal. But of course, this is once again a full matter of taste, and you could decide to embellish it differently. So I really like how this page turned out and how all of these elements look like against craft colored page background. On this side of the page, I have just added a frame and made a gold outline. The florals in this pack are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here is another ephemera card with a rose. Just look at those designs, very pretty. Another corner pocket with a card. And here I have just glued the roses down as if they're coming out of the pocket. Another card from the pack, this one as well. Here I have created a belly band with a card tucked behind it. Another beautiful page. Here I have added a pocket with 2 tags. And there is a little card inside one of them. Here we have another beautiful page. A bit of collaging there. And here as well, another tuck spot, roses cluster, another tag that I created by adding some roses to this journaling card in the center. Here we have a pocket with a tag and a card inside there. Really beautiful images, and I like that when you mix the papers, you really earn from both journaling space and those beautiful pages. More pages, and here is the last signature. So here I have created just a little plain notebook to go in between the signatures. There is a pocket here, another tag, and a vintage style card or part of the letter. More beautiful pages. Really wonderful botanical designs. Another pocket with 2 cards and more flowers around the pocket. A bookmark and another beautiful card clipped in there. And I guess we are pretty much done with this flip through. This is such a nice image. I love it. And here are 2 more cards from the Ephemera sheets. And on the inside of the back cover, I have created the pocket and put some more cards inside so you can journal on the back. They look so pretty. So pretty. I really recommend using this project pack. That's all for today. I hope you like the flip through of these 2 projects. If you want to create similar ones, join me in the craft room. See you there.